Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. This is a part 2 video. Guys, this is a mechanic special machine. It is an 07 or an 08. I haven't run the serial number yet, but I will. One owner machine, local to us. I do have the owner's manual for it. Here is what is wrong with it. It has fuel injector pumps or injector issues. We are not getting fuel up to the injectors. We've replaced the pump. We've replaced the check valve, and I put a brand new fuel filter housing on. 3 common things on this series of engine 4024 that goes bad. We have checked the rack. The rack is moving, but unfortunately we feel that the machine has gotten either a bad pump or dirt in one of the individual pumps, and we can't get fuel to go through it. I've fooled with it for a couple days, and I got more pressing things to do, so I'm offering it out there as a mechanic special. It does need a starter. I burnt the starter up here. It just now clicks. There is no hole in the block. The machine was a good running, working machine until this fuel issue come up. Local machine to us, 2,199 hours. It does have a factory John Deere 72-inch Worksite Pro bucket with bolt-on edge in good shape. The quick attach is still good and tight. It has a weight kit on the back. It is cab, heat, air. All that stuff's intact. Block heater, standard controls machine. We'll start walking around here. The boom itself is not welded or busted anywhere. The paint's all original. We rinsed it off. It does need a good wax. It would really clean it up. Very, very nice. Again, powered by a John Deere 4024 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It was serviced on 7/20 of 2024 with 2,200 hours, which is right at what it had. When it started having this issue, he literally changed the fuel filter and had these issues. So again, we have fooled with it, and I am just got too much other work to do. Back door's not busted. We just sold a John Deere CT322 mechanic special the other day. Guys, inside the cab, it's still got all the zinc plating on the lines and stuff. Auxiliary hydraulics right there. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Everything there works the way it's supposed to. It's good and free. Seat has one little mark in it. Armrest package cup holder. Take it here. I'll just show you real quick what I'm talking about. Bear with me. Cab door is complete. $21.99 on the hours. Cab heat, air. And our starter's just clicking back there. So, there it is. That's what I can tell you. If you're handy and you look on a cheap skid loader and you can fix this, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. So you understand, I'm going to take that big telehandler and I'm going to pick it up and set it right on your trailer. Any questions, you can bring your wife's cousins, brothers, uncle who once worked at a John Deere dealer. I don't care. We're not hiding anything. That's what it is. Have a good day.